All right, good afternoon. Happy Saturday, Golden Tee Mobile Community Tilt Massey. Coming to you with the Windy City Showdown tip of the week. Today we are going to work on a couple of the tougher holes. Crawdad Swamp 17, show you a couple ways to play this one, give you some math. And then we'll play Pine Coast 18, show you the way I play that shot through the trees. And then we'll go to Desert Valley 17. I think Desert Valley 17 everybody pretty much knows, but for those that aren't as familiar, that'll be a good one to see. And we got 43 guys registered for Chicago, May 5th through the 7th. Come on out, get signed up. We got 5 guys coming internationally. We got Moose Merlin and Fly Rye coming from Canada. Joel Ward coming from Thailand, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I got that right, Joel. Niall Campbell coming all the way from Ireland. And we've got, who else is on the list? Oh, let me look at the list. Who am I missing? I'm missing an easy one. And it is coming from, oh, let me not forget Mr. John O'Shea, our fearless purple schlubs leader. Well, one of them anyhow. All right, Barrett Dieterman, Mr. Joe Mama showed us this shot in a shot of the week or shot of the year maybe, but it's an O-bird and it is through that gap. It is high. And the yardage it will go if we hit this full, I'm assuming we don't hit any trees, it really doesn't hit any of the lumber if you hit it off a high tee. It gets high enough, it gets over all the branches. It should go 200 yards. 200, because the wind was straight across, so I'm not factoring it being any less or any more. So 200 is the base yardage through that. Gold tee, high, sniper. This is probably more like 94. Take off 5%, 6% to adjust for that flag, 5%. High tee, straight through the trees. Oh, dang. Just like that. 200 baseline, adjust for the wind accordingly. If the wind's in your face, you got to hit it 100% for sure. And sometimes it won't quite get there, but you'll lift with an easy chip. Downwind, got to adjust a little bit. But that is how we play that hole. All right, we'll do that one more time and give you some yardage to think about if we can get it downwind, because I don't think the other 2 holes are going to take me as long to play. Okay, that's a good one. So the way I calculate the math on the wind is when it is directly into me, I multiply by 3. And if it's downwind, I multiply by 2. On 7 and 9 woods, that math kind of starts to change. I'm not going to give all my math secrets away, but 7 and 9 wood, you can pretty much adjust to, this is going to play 39 yards longer, thereabouts. So I need the high 7 wood, which just goes 247 off a tee, so call it 40 yards. This will go 207 if I hit it full. Plus I got to swerve it around the trees a little bit. So 207, I'm going to hit this 97, 98. The wind's always broke here, and it never cuts as much. So I'm going to hit 97, 98 right in there. Cut it around the tree a little bit. See, it never cuts. I mean, it went 200 yards. So, I mean, it went the right distance, 197, it went 200 yards. It just never cuts. Never cuts enough on this hole. And I can aim at the flag. Cut it there. There, that one kind of cut enough. I think I clipped the tree though. All right. Anyway, experiment with that one in your own time. We'll give it one more go. Maybe I didn't even have it on the high T. Always going to cut this more than you should. That just never cuts. Like, that ball's just not cutting at all. All right, we're going to do it one more time because it's frustrating me. I'm going to teach myself something. High. And I can slice you. All right. Right at the corner of the A. 97, 98. God, finally. Lord have mercy. All right. There you go. Like I said, wind on that. If it's into you, multiply it by 2 or multiply it by 3 and then adjust accordingly. If you're going to cut the ball like that, you've got to add a little bit more, as we could see there, but that's a good rule to follow. All right, we're going to go to Desert Valley 17. Let's stop at Pine Coast first, since I've got it here. Pine Coast 18. I really just play this hole two ways, and this is one of the looks. Right through that gap. Yeah, right through that gap. A medium HLD works, a high driver works, just depends on how far you need to hit it. Probably hit a high driver. And I should have gone, I don't really need to hook this, take 5% off it or so. 4%. So right through that gap, but that's not the one we want to see. I want to see that one where we have a shot through the bushes. Some people play 1 irons, 2 irons, O-birds. And of course, I'll probably get this look like 6 times. But hopefully we get a little better look. The one through the bushes, that's the one we're looking for. And we're not going to get it. Man, I remember when Rick Coppathorne made this against Calzone in at Worlds this past year. Pretty awesome shot to hit the walk-off. Okay, so we can go through those bushes right there. Sometimes you can go through those. Just depends on where the flag is. Medium T, driver. This goes 232 to 233, 232 to 235, let's just say, if there was no wind and I hit it full. So we're downwind quite a bit. And we've got to go 6 yards shorter anyway. Let's say 90, let's say like 95. 94, 95. I want to make sure I get it there. I've got a little room long. I don't want to be short. 94, 95. I'm cutting it just slightly to account for some of that wind. 94, 95, 94, 94. Go. Yep, that was 95. That's what I'm saying. Don't miss it short. And I missed it short. Line was good. Line was great. This is definitely a difficult setup. But 95 was the number. Yeah, I mean, so that's kind of how you can play that one. That was a tougher look. Let's see it one more time. Then we'll hop over and give a quick one. All right, let's just get over to Desert Valley. Desert Valley 17. 17. The par 4, took me a while to figure out how to play this one until I was shown how to play it. But it's over. If you go to the right, that hill does come into play. So you kind of got to go here. The over will carry about 255. We have to cut this, so this is probably going to, it's a little downwind. It might come up a little short. But over around everything, 255, yeah, 255, 256 is what it'll carry. Again, 255 is about what it'll carry if you hit it straight and there was no wind. So again, that's what I think about. Oops, I'm gonna play 18. You guys all know how to play that one. 2 iron, 3 iron, 1 iron jab up the hill. So this is a good one to experiment with how to make it. So 255, right, is what we said it goes. We're gonna use the orbits. It's downwind a little bit. I'm gonna hit this 90, this 98. I'm gonna get pretty aggressive here. 98. 98, is it gonna be enough? Yep. Pinch. Oh! Love hitting that shot. Because as long as it clears the water, it's not gonna spin back in, as you can see there. But pretty nice line. All right, guys, good luck. Get signed up for the Windy City Showdown. See you in less than 50 days.